Find a location suitable to mount your XT panel. The location needs to be secure so that it doesn't allow the panel to be tampered with by intruders. The location needs to be dry, ensuring that it will not be exposed to high humidity or water. This can damage the XT panel and it may not function properly. When mounting the XT enclosure, it is not necessary to remove the PCB from the enclosure. Your enclosure mounting holes are located here near the top of the enclosure. To start mounting, make sure the XT enclosure is level and exactly where you want. Mark the mounting points and remove the XT enclosure. Drill holes in the locations marked. Drill holes for the conduit knockout as well. Use the supplied drywall anchors if needed. Place the enclosure back on the wall and screw the supplied hardware into place. Use 2 supplied screws here for extra stability. That's how to mount an XT series panel.